3 a.m. I'm awake, wide awake, can't sleep. The baby was having a little coughing fit or something. She's fine now. She's eating. She's playing with a new toy. And it's not the toy that's giving her a coughing fit. When I got her, she was coughing, like a kennel cough. So, I've got, within 30 days of adopting her, I got a free vet visit over in Chiefland. I'll set that up. And if they want to charge me any money for anything extra, I'm going to have to just pack up and leave. I have zero money to pay any vet. I told them that when I adopted her. I do not have money. Extra money. They want to find these animals good homes because the shelters are all full because people aren't getting their animals spayed and neutered, and they probably can't afford it either. You know, so these rescue places, they wind up paying for all of that, and they have fundraisers and things to get money to pay for a spay and neuter. But they need to find good homes for the animals, and they have different events and things that they bring the animals, and adoption events like at PetSmart and different places. And there's all these animals in cages and looking to get their forever home. People like puppies, you know. Puppies are cute and everything, but, you know, they are very destructive and very time-consuming. Whereas if they get a dog that's a little bit older, mellow, it's gone through that puppy phase and everything, you know. But if they can handle the puppy phase. So I did have to clean her kennel again because she did poop and pee all over it. So I got my mop out and everything, cleaned that all up, put a new one in there, a new little pad. You know, it just becomes a bit of a mess. And it's 3 a.m. and we're not in bed. We're out here until we get tired and want to go back to bed. And there's little Midnight Kitty. He's getting his food. We had a fun time yesterday at the beach. Today's Tuesday. It's supposed to rain a lot today and tomorrow in the afternoon. Which means there's no taking the dog out for a walk in pouring rain. It's indoor plumbing. I didn't get her dog diapers yet because I just didn't. I kind of run out of energy. I didn't even move this kennel like I said I was going to. Move all this stuff. Didn't do that because I just didn't have any energy. All right. Good morning.